What time now? 1 o'clock. 1:30. 1:45. At the mountain. We're at the mountain. We're at the mountain. My brother farm. At my brother's farm, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. Now I go play. This one is very nicer. I show you the place. I show you the place here, huh? I show you the place. Yes, playing now. Don't know how to help my brother. See, I show you guys, ha? Andun sila, oh. Andito ako. Na ako diri sa ilang bunker. Na ako sa ilang bunker, no? They are there putting the dinito tayo the coconut, what you call banana, so if the wind is very strong, then not going to pull down. Okay, the banana is have fruits already. Slowly have fruits. We cook her for our lunch. See, the banana is there. My brother is good there spraying. They spray downstairs. See, this one is very nice. Cold. See, but you need to slowly walking because it's very slippery. So my brother is there. The son is upstairs, spray also. And then the wife of my brother, older brother, is planting corn and what one is planting? Plant the peanut. Okay. So this one is 1 hectare, I think, the farm, and then he putting some have jackfruit, have veggies, but more banana because easy to produce fruits, the banana. Coconut is a bit longer. How many years? Durian. So he planting more things. Then he have pineapple also. Then some veggies. The ladyfinger, the beans he planting. So he plan to plant also the lukulangsa, durians. See, the banana is there. This one is the banana that a bit expensive one. See, nice guys. See, but very hard to walk if raining like that. But what they call is nice. Have sun. But I'm in the middle of the no signal here. In the middle of the mountain. So then I think Grace like it, this place, but he need to walk a bit far. Okay, I think guys, enough lah. I show you later my videos. I cannot post, no signal here. My brother don't want me to go down there. Very risky that I going to pull down because it's very slippery. See, have also this one is fruit already. The one have the blue color things have fruit already, the banana. Then the other side there, the other banana. See, that one after how many weeks they need to take out the what you call, and then they put the color cover for the banana. See, have more. How many already? Slowly. He cleaned this place is like how many? Almost 1 year already. So they come here like in 1 month, twice or 3 times. This one is the bunker. That's why like this. The house is like this. See, my older brother is very old. How many? 3 years older than me. What? Unsay mo gi-spray? Para sa dahon? Atanan na siya. Ah. The sun is there also spraying. Yeah. Actually, the place is very nice, right, guys? See? Okay, guys. Next time again. Later again. Bye-bye. I post it later. Bye, guys.